We are in a mall in Saskatchewan, Canada. Okay, see. So it's the weather today. It's cloudy and windy and cold. So that's the weather forecast updated to the weather for today. So it's dark now. It's past 6:38 at the evening. It's cold and windy and cloudy. So that's the weather condition of the in the parking lot. Okay, so this is our vlog content for today because yesterday is the pass of is done the 101 or 110 pipes, heavy pipes yesterday at the rigs. So this is our content and vlog for today. Okay, so it's cold. It's like raining for today, and then for tonight until tomorrow. So until Friday. So that's the weather for today condition in the past few hours from now. Okay, see you guys. That's all. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to YouTube, to my YouTube channel. Okay, so see you guys. That's all.